Hi there, Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope all is well. Today's soap is a soap in collaboration with over 80, yes, over 80 other wonderful soapers. And we are all making soaps inspired by our interpretation of Wonderland. Since this is a winter collaboration and where I live there is snow, my Wonderland had to have snow. And when I think of snow, I think of the holidays. When I think of the holidays, I think of family. When I think of family, I think of love. So I sat down and I thought, how can I incorporate all these things into my soap? Well, love, heart, right? Let's put a heart in the soap. I'll make the soap white, that will represent the snow. I wanted it to be sort of Christmassy, but without using traditional red and green colors. So I thought, how could I represent Christmas? Well, one of the first things that pops into my mind when I think Christmas, other than the obvious, is Christmas tree. Aha! I will put a bunch of hearts into the shape of a tree, and I'll top it off with a gold star. It's a very simple design, but it represents the love I have for my family, as well as the holiday season. Now to see if I could make this sketch come to life. There were 3 requirements for this collaboration. One was that the soap had to have the color white in it. I'm using titanium dioxide, and I'm adding it directly to the cooled lye water solution. 2 was that we incorporate any form of milk. I chose soy milk powder because I needed something with as little sugar as possible to avoid overheating and scorching or acceleration or any other problem that may result from using something with a lot of sugar in it, because I knew that I was going to need a lot of time to work on the design, so I needed something that wasn't going to mess anything up. I added the milk to the oils before the lye water solution. And finally, the soap had to have some kind of sparkle to it. And I'm adding this Enviro glitter to the oils before the lye water solution. It wasn't quite the white I was going for, so I decided to add a little bit of this winter white mica. The fragrance oil I'm using is called Christmas Tree Farm. The description says no discoloration, no acceleration, fingers crossed. A few days prior, I made this star soap column using a silicone mold, as well as a bunch of handmade soap dough hearts. I will show you how I made them right now. And now for the fun part. Just to give you a heads up, this is going to be very messy, but I knew that going in. I made a little tree stump using brown soap dough, spritzing it with some 99% isopropyl alcohol, and that's going in first. Using some popsicle sticks to kinda sorta get it centered. I'm not going for perfection with this soap. I'm going for a rustic handmade look, if that makes sense. Now to smooth it all out. Is it time to see what's on my embed tray? Yes, it is. I have some soap dough hearts of varying sizes, and I made these by slicing up the heart embeds that I made for the inside of the soap. I will show you very quickly. I'm never quite sure how I'm going to do the top of a soap. I thought that I was going to do some piping, but then last minute I thought I'll just kind of make it look like snowdrifts. And now to carefully place the soap dough hearts and hope that they look like little trees.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a
Mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot. 3 days later, let's cut this soap. The soap is still a little soft, so it was a little hard pulling it apart. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love the way this soap came out. I'm totally expecting some holes to be in the soap, especially around the hearts, but I am going to leave it as is. Usually I will fill in the soap with soap dough if I see that there are holes in it, but I want this to look like a handmade craft, so I'm going to leave it as it is. I absolutely love the way this soap came out. Please make sure that you click on the hashtag below this video to see a list of everyone that is a part of this collaboration and give their videos a watch. A big thank you to Renee at Soaps for Love for putting this collaboration together. I had a lot of fun being part of this. Thank you so very much for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. And everyone have a fantastic holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever it is that you celebrate, I hope that it is a good one. Until I see you next time, take care. Bye-bye.